Watch me now. Me say up and running. That we say, you know. Good morning to my fans them again, you know. One more time, you know. Original front teeth, gold teeth, Dan Gargan, you know. Out there again, you know. And we are saying, you know. You see how early we up on the road? Watch how we up on the road. Where we there? From the see, alright, first if I want to see, from that over there, sir. Look. From you see that, you know. My beauty in me couldn't see, you know. Look on the sign on the wall. It's sweet, mark. Anytime you see that, you see Mandy's bar, Mandy's pub, here. And let me tell you something. Anytime you see that, you know, say, ice cream Sunday corner with the pan, you know. Here. And I'm telling you, say, you know, tonight, ice cream Sunday up and running, you know. And I see how early me out here. Me and the soda there up on the corner, we get the place situate up and clean up. And you see how you're so clean already. Yeah? Early out, sound come out. Early out, we have bunks about. By 12 o'clock, everything's steam up and ready. Here. And tonight, I know, say, all of our artists, them are rolling. You understand? So, you hear me now? I'll be a nice sister a little more, you know. All friends are real family, you know. Yeah. All tall man, you know. In my day today. Tall man, the hungry one. The hungriest one we walk with you. Long, tall, hungry one. You know? So, you don't know, you know, my fans, them we there. We are say ice cream Sunday up and running. As we are tell us, say, at the country we are dealing, at the unity we are dealing. And here me I tell someone to, because me have some problem with you know. And even since me give me number and make people can WhatsApp me and we get to find out here there's like a big problem boy where more and the government, not even in America, not Jamaica alone, but America, Canada, all the people do the cyber thing. We have some cyber rumor I want to spread boy, you know. I'm one day them cut it out, you know. Because I take up some things and I put on the internet and I tell some lie from people and I spread some rumor from Jamaica and some. We have to stop it. And the people, let me tell you something, we don't hear no news from Jamaica. I don't see nothing on the internet from Jamaica about this type of killing and that type of killing. Please, may I ask, you know, go to TVG site, CVM site, or go to RGR, what you call it, IRFM, Zip, Mellow, get to them one of them radio stations, they on the network there. Sun City are one of them. And you know, hear it from the Jamaican news. It's not real. Because you can't find nobody cut up in a world in a Jamaica and their organs missing. And it not come on our news. So how it come on internet. I wish radio station, I wish TV station, I wish network that. Where I feed them news, I them alone see it. And get to broadcast it to people. When if you stop take things from other network, a place that go on, things that go on in other places in the world. Things that go on in Africa, in a hard boat, in some place where we not even know, island Talabumbo. When you get it from the internet and you take it, and you start post it and go on like a Jamaica. Then and again, some of the people where they on the internet post some disturbing picture. Like someone where old man and a chop off their head. We don't need to see that. We don't need to see that, brother. If we don't get it on phone, just keep it on phone, because we don't have phone friend we want to see that. We don't want to see how man chop off man's head. We don't want to see how man dismantle people's body. We don't want to see how people giant up people. We don't need to see that. We don't post some things that some people do some good things. We don't do some I could not only come movie then and put on the internet since you don't want to be a star. You understand me? All you know do I forget views on the site. You don't want people to go up on the page. You know, put some like a foolishness on the page so people recognize on the page. You never see me I put foolishness on my page, and people recognize my page. As me start talk people on my page because me I come out with positiveness, constructiveness, and things that make sense. You don't come out with something like an idiot thing like you don't feel like some man no joking thing with you. You not destroy the world and you go Jamaica and not destroy. Somehow you say you Jamaica and not follow people and not post things. I want to do them things you know. And repost things that happen days, months, years, and weeks, and how much million miles away. I want to post it and act as if it's Jamaica. Because what I do, I want to repost it and take out the people and voice and start talk like Jesus Christ. Boy, look how them man are wicked, man. Look how them deal with the people, man. Look how them cut up the girl and put her one. Why you not do them something there? You know, paint a bad picture for our country. You know, feel like you know, look views and destroy my country. Eh? You know the value of Jamaica? One people we are take up on false things and post on the internet. And on people we are buying to it and make people afraid to come to Jamaica. Even this morning, I talked to one a Jamaican citizen who born in Jamaica. And these are people who don't want to have nothing to do with Jamaica and come to Jamaica because they fear of their life. You understand me? It's when I talk to the citizen this morning and talk to him and show him what Jamaica is like. That's how the person start gaining some confidence and really realize it. To me, is a man who tell life back up nothing. Because if Jamaica in a crisis right there, where we not put it? Virgin, Jamaica would have mash up, brother. We not stop going like Jamaica is that bad. You understand me? Because enough of us talking, brother. People are live worse than Jamaica people. Whole heap of time worse, I know, because I show you saying, a whole heap of people in Africa would like to get in one of backyard in Jamaica for living. A whole heap of people in Haiti would like to live in one of backyard of Jamaica, you know. You hear that? I want to paint some picture like when people come here. Oh, where people them will come from Jamaica. Fear if you come to Jamaica. The tourists them no care not about this and that and put a bag of room and town no care how much people are dead at Jamaica. The tourists them come in same way. I mean never see a tourist come to Jamaica and go back to foreign and say I'm not coming back. When them leave Jamaica, they tell I'm coming back next year. Some of them say I'm coming back in the next 6 months. Some of them say I'm coming back next week. And uno say uno no want to come back for. Why uno see when I fight in the country? Eh? You know, say most of the rumors them and the bad things that people are talking about Jamaica, you see when Jamaicans are destroying the country because they lie them and the things them and the picture them want to paint. Like say, what is so wrong with Jamaica? Make you no want to come here. I'm going to tell you something. You know what's wrong with Jamaica? When someone no left here, did bush. When someone no left here, we have one road we have went and you pass on the road. You have to park up somewhere for your next vehicle pass. You hear? Now Jamaica have highways and byways, you hear? Now Jamaica have so much airport that we don't know which part to land. Now Jamaica have so much traffic that from 12 o'clock in the day we have traffic jam till 12 o'clock in the night. That's no problem, we don't take long for reach out on the yard. Jamaica is living uprising, and that's why we are trying to cut down the little things and we are going. So tourists, we're not cutting down things we are going because Jamaica is that bad. We're cutting down things that is going on because we want Jamaica to be a country that in the garrison here them want to call ghetto. Ghetto people have to push over upon them bed for tourists come sleep. Because Jamaica is the most beloved country in the world and people want to be with Jamaicans. People want to come to Jamaica and people want to stay in Jamaica and live with Jamaica. If Jamaica people only unite and stop the foolishness, you have tourists in the 14 parish, in everywhere they wouldn't have no ghetto again, you wouldn't have no garrison. And no matter of fact, there is no such thing as ghetto. Ghetto is the life you live. Ghetto is the way you treat yourself. Ghetto is the way you angle the community. Ghetto is the way you live in the community because everywhere where you call name garrison and ghetto. Me never see common sense kill a man yet. Me never see Park Lane, 100 Lane, Mall Road, Tower, Catburn, Pen, Waterhouse. None of the community want to talk about a garrison here and a ghetto. Never kill nobody yet. I want to see one night ghetto, I kill the people. Them I want to see one where I call it ghetto, turn it in a ghetto. So I want to see one can turn it back into a residential era. I want to see one can turn it in whether third class or first class. I don't care which class you know and put it on ladder and don't leave from the gun class. You understand me? So right now, me I tell you, so right now, no change up on the folly ground, and the community where I live in, I don't know nothing. I know the place where I come from, I don't know nothing. I know the country where I come from, I don't know nothing. It's only seeing when I do myself everything and I destroy the country with it. You understand? Because the only time the country might hurt somebody is when storm come or when flood come. Or when them have earthquake. And we hardly see that. We don't even see that in Jamaica more than so. And the chaos storm say to come and when it reach Jamaica, God look on them and say, see them people there check for them again and turn back. You understand me? So God bless you, God love you, and God care for you. All you have to do is live up and live right. I'm telling you something. Ice Cream Sunday tonight. And as we tell you again, Montego Bay, you know, look out, you know, for the 21st and the 22nd of next month. I think we're coming down there. And we are coming down there with the JCF. We are coming down there to talk to the youth them We are coming down there to motivate you all in the peace, love, and unity. We are coming down there as a man who have experience of what is crime and violence, what is jailhouse and what is prison. I'm coming down there to talk to you all that you can understand that there's a other way out. Leave the guns alone. That me I tell you. Alright, me check on a little more when Ice Beam Sunday start again. Up like 1 and we not bend like 7. If I know 1, I 11. If I know 11, I 111. Straight like an arrow can bend. Big up all artists. And I like why I hear my friend Alkaline come out and him quiet and I don't hear no problem from him. No. But we need to hear and give you a tune about the jail and the time all and something. Because when cartel ain't no problem, he give you something as in land, So Alkaline, we are request a tune from you. We want to tell you a jail time. We want to tell you a jail time it's stay. I want to tell you how you get caught up in a jail. We want to see you use your versatility now and make money out of it. You understand me? So just build a tune now about when they say you want it for murder and then you go to jail and you stay 3 days after and boom, bang, bang. You say them have to let you go because you have your lawyer and we one bag of something. Because we want you where you going. You understand me? You know like where you just come and quiet. So you are your artist and lyrics you want here. Watch and I'm a real boss step on the corner. So people may go yell and tell us them. You see you no little more here. Love you. Bam, boom, bang, bang.